Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Coinbase, a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform. I've been getting a lot of questions about whether or not Coinbase can be used in Nigeria, so I thought I would do a video on it. What is Coinbase? Before I get into the nitty-gritty, let's do a quick overview of what Coinbase is. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. It's one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and it's available in over 100 countries. Can Coinbase be used in Nigeria? The answer to this question is yes, Coinbase can be used in Nigeria. However, there are a few things you need to know before you can start using it. First, you need to create a Coinbase account. You can do this by going to the Coinbase website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This can be done by providing your government-issued ID and proof of address. Second, you need to fund your Coinbase account. You can do this by linking your bank account or credit card. Once your account is funded, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Third, you need to be aware of the risks associated with using Coinbase. Cryptocurrency is a volatile asset, and the value of your investments can go up or down. It's important to do your research and understand the risks before you start investing in cryptocurrency. How to use Coinbase in Nigeria? Once you've created your account and funded it, you can start using Coinbase to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Here's a quick overview of how to do it. Log into your Coinbase account. Click on the Buy Sell tab. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. Click on the Place Order button. Once your order has been placed, it will be executed immediately. You can then view your transactions in your Coinbase account. Coinbase is a great way to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies in Nigeria. However, it's important to be aware of the risks associated with using it. If you're new to cryptocurrency, I recommend doing some research and understanding the risks before you start investing. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. I'll see you next time.